I want to insert a running total after the sales amount column. So I can use the simple formulas like this and keep on doing like this for a longer time. So it will be very time consuming. Instead of that, I can use the simple trick. Select this entire data. A small tooltip kind of a toolbar will display. Click on that. Click on tools. Click on the next. When you see this option, click on the running totals. So here you can see that all the running totals have been entered for you without writing a single formula. Now you can use the same toolbar to create a simple chart. So I will simply select months and sales amount. I can click on the charts and clustered column charts will get automatically entered for me. So I don't have to create anything. Just by simply selecting that, I can quickly create a charts like this as well. So I hope you like this video.